So hello everyone,
Hello.
welcome to the new day and new vlog. Today we have with us our beloved Muntasir. And what is the topic for today?
Seminar.
Seminar.
Milestone-2.
Seminar Milestone-2. So actually we are doing work and we are working today for our Milestone-2, and we thought that today we'll discuss about the work that we are doing or what kind of tasks we have to do for this particular milestone, right? So if we start, what's the specific thing that we have to do for this milestone?
Everything. That's the everything. So we have to submit our draft paper.
Correct.
So draft is what you can call it, not the final version, but draft you can modify before. But the draft is almost the final person. You can say almost 90 to 95% you have to finish
Correct.
in your final.
Yeah.
And then the supervisor, anyone will check it, modify it, and according to the session, we will submit our final paper.
Correct.
So for that, we are preparing the final draft, I would say.
So this milestone is specifically about the draft paper. And if we start, when we asked to our supervisor as well, then he said that this is your 90% of work.
Correct.
Right? After that, we'll see what will come after that. But usually there is final paper submission and the modifications. But for this, if we talk about the topics like because before that we submitted our table of content, right?
Correct.
But here, if we go topic by topic.
So topic by topic, we have it depends what topics you will suggest. Everyone can have different topics, but on the general it says there is abstract, introduction, conclusion, future work, related work, and methodology, and results. These are kind of common categories, but it can vary subject to subject.
Correct, and you can add your future work as well. So it's like, suppose we are going category by category, and in some of the meetings when we discussed with our supervisor as well, then we were advised that you have to decide among the questions, like which questions
should we answer in which topic.
In which topic. And now we also have to maybe mention the research. For example, we have 10 research papers.
Correct.
So I think their individual summaries we are currently writing in our result.
First we went through several papers.
Correct.
That is our methodology, how we are doing things, and then we are summarizing from that paper what we have identified or found. That we are mentioning in our results, and that's it for this two part. Then we will also write introduction. One may think why we are not introduction first. It actually varies. For our case, we thought if we have the methodology and results, we have a clear vision, and
then we can define the
overview and introduction, conclusion. Then it will be easier for you, but it can be different for other people. So this is the topics we are writing, and we are also following PDF. We have to submit the PDF. So for PDF, we are writing it on overleaf.
Because we are LaTeX format we have to use. Correct. And some of the modifications that we are making, for example, when we started writing methodology, and we thought that individual summaries will place in methodology, but we got to know in our meeting that methodology is about what methods we are following.
Correct.
Right? So first we started with that, like what was our approach, how we followed, like how our discussions went, and till what point we reached, right? What should be there, or how many features we got to know, right? Then we got to know that we have to write individual summaries in our result. So we are writing individual summaries in our result section. After that, we have to make a conclusion, and then we'll go to the future work and the related work, and then the introduction part. Okay. So for us, the graph is like starting from the methodology, going down and then going upwards in that direction. And also, so we have to submit a draft paper. I think it's taking quite good amount of time when we are writing about it, and we have to mention various points, and also in this we have to mention various research papers in a particular format, right? If we talk about that,
the format, I would say the research paper, there is a common format, that is LLCNS. So that format you have to give. So for reference, there are various formats, like if you just search any topic on Google Scholar, you can see on the side there are multiple options. So just from your professor ask that which reference format you should use. For us it is like LLNCS, so you are following that topic, and that format we are using for our references when you're putting things.
Correct. So we have to make it in such a way that this is our final paper, because after draft paper there might be some modifications, but we have to make like each section quite good, right? And mention all the informations whatever that is possible, because after that the modifications will be there. In the previous seminar meeting as well, when we are searching for our research work, then it was like whatever you can search, you search in this time period, because after that you will start writing based on this research. right? So because for draft paper, it's like you have researched enough and now you're formatting it and you're giving it a language. So I think you get some idea what we are doing for our Milestone-2, which is writing for the draft paper. You want to add anything?
No, I think so. We are still doing it. So
yeah, we are working on it. So today we are working on it, and
we are planning to finish it.
Yeah, we plan to finish it because we have to submit it on Monday. So Monday is our deadline for our Milestone-2, but we have to write it, we have to work on it, and we are working on it. And I hope you also get some idea what is there in Milestone-2, and this is it. I hope you get some information, and rest you know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It doesn't take much time. So bye bye, ciao ciao, namaste. Chalo, see you in new day, new vlog.